all-new 2025 Maruti Suzuki Victoris, a sleek, modern upgrade to the Maruti lineup packed with a crisp digital instrument cluster. And since this is a brand new release, we're proud to be among the first to bring a dedicated Spartan Shield screen protector for the Victoris. Let's begin the installation. Start by cleaning the screen thoroughly using the alcohol wipe included in the kit. Next, dry the display gently with the microfiber cloth, making sure there are no streaks left behind. Use the dust removal sticker to lift off any remaining specks. Even the tiniest particle can cause bubbles, so take your time here. Now, peel off the backing layer from the protector, holding it carefully by the edges. Align the protector with the Victoris display to allow easy air release and perfect settling. Once aligned, lower it slowly and press lightly from the center outward. Use the squeegee provided to push out remaining air pockets and smoothen the edges. Finally, peel off the top protective film and your Victoris screen is now crystal clear, scratch resistant, and fully protected with Spartan Shield. Built for clarity, built for durability, built for the road ahead.